Okay, we're still on lesson 7.2 on the same pages, 269 to 271. This is part 2 of that lesson, and I'm going to show you how to use the proportion method formula for finding the percent of a number. So this is what you will want to write in your flip chart. Proportion method, and this is your formula. Part over a whole equals a percent over 100. Okay, so that's the formula I'm going to teach you here. They want you to find 104% of 250. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to plug in our numbers in the correct place in our formula. So the part, well, we haven't found the part yet because we're finding 104% of the 250. So we don't know what the part is yet. So let's just write that again here. Now, the whole is the 250. Okay? And then the percent is 104. And then that's over 100. Okay? So, what we do when we use the proportion method, we are cross-multiplying first. So, we can't multiply 100 by something that we don't know the number of. So we've got to cross-multiply our 250 times our 104. So let's do that. 250 times 104. Okay? Let's see. 0, 4 times 5 is 20. 0, carry the 2. 2 times 4 is 8, plus 2 is 10. Okay? 1 0, and then 0 times all of those would be 3 zeros. Okay? And then 2 zeros. And 1 times 0 is 0, 1 times 5 is 5, 1 times 2 is 2, and we'll add. Okay, so we've got 26,000. We've cross-multiplied these two numbers. Now, the answer we get from that, we have to divide it by 100. Okay, so I'm going to take 26,000 and divide it by 100. Now, we know 100 goes into 260 two times. 100 times 2 is 200. If we subtract, we get 60. Bring down our next 0. 100 goes into 600 6 times. 100 times 6 would be 600. Subtract, we get 0, but we had one more 0 to bring down, and 100 will not go into that, so we put a 0. So we found our answer. 104% of 250 is 260, and that's what would go in. We just found our part, so that's our answer. Okay, so that's the other method. Okay, now it's time to do your skill check 1 and send that to me so I can check it for you.